Hey everyone, I'm Danny and welcome to Wizardry Workshop. In today's video, I'm going to be opening some fan mail. I have not done one of these fan mail opening videos for such a long time. I just hardly get very much mail. Every once in a while I'll get like one or two here and there, so I'll try and open them in a video. But I like doing a dedicated video to them because it's just more fun that way. Most of these are pretty recent, but one of them, man. Okay, so last time I moved my studio, not just this most recent time, but like the time before that, I was in the middle of moving like everything from my studio, huge move, and I got a package in the mail. So I said, okay, once I get all moved, I'll open it up in a video. And I got everything moved. I forgot about the package and it got stacked under some stuff that I hardly ever touch. So I totally missed that one. I mean, I'm sorry if you're watching this and you're the one who sent me this package. I'm so sorry that it got kind of like lost in the shuffle with my last move. But that set aside, let's get into this. So we've got all this stuff. I'm just gonna kind of do the letters first, I think. From Don, I'm one of your biggest fans, if not the oldest. I'm 83. Wow, okay. I did not know that I had anyone in their 80s watching this channel at all. That's really cool. I fell in love with Harry Potter since I read the first book, and I look forward to seeing you on YouTube as well as Cherry Wallace. You two are my favorites. I used to do typesetting on the computer. I made up many newsletters, business cards, and more. I used PageMaker and Photoshop. I say that I used Photoshop, but not nearly as well as you, plus I am jealous of all the equipment you have. The reason I am writing to you is that I have a copy of alchemical symbols that were given to me by some people in Chicago that actually do alchemy. I also have included a sheet that has various actual herbs and the Old English names they were called. I've included these papers and I hope that you enjoy them. I am into paganism and witchcraft, and I have been for over 50 years. And if there are any questions about any of this, please feel free to ask me. Sincerely, Don, and I'm going to leave the last name out. Very cool. That will definitely come in handy while I make things, so thank you so much, Don, for sending me that. Let's move along to this little guy right here, and it has a wax seal and some really nice handwriting. The thing with wax seals is you never actually want to break them. You just want to kind of like peel them off. I don't like it when they break. Here we go. There we go. Okay. What is this? It looks like there are some photos in here. I'm going to read this before I show anything. Make sure that it's okay to share this stuff. Hi, Danny. My name is Jean, and I'm writing because I feel the need to say thank you so very much for being so very talented and for sharing your talent and hard work with all of us. Well, you're welcome. I really love doing it. You'll never know how very happy I was last June when I started planning my daughter's 30th surprise party and found you on YouTube. She's always been a Harry Potter fan, so it was a no-brainer to do Harry Potter themed party. I had been looking all over Pinterest, which is full of HP party decor, but nothing I really wanted until I happened to stumble across you. Hallelujah. I watched every video, some 2 and 3 times, especially when I made the Howler. Yeah, because that Howler video was rough to record, and that first one was really hard to follow, but I made a second one, a re-release. It was a lot easier the second time around. I wish for you the best of luck in your future and still look forward to your videos. Sincerely, Jean. Thank you so much for the letter, Jean. I'm going to take a look at some of these pictures, but you didn't really say if I could show them on camera, so I'm going to assume that you don't want them to be shown on camera. Very good. That looks like a really fun party too. Let's do this one right here. This one feels like cloth or something. Let me see. Oh, it is cloth, isn't it? Let me open this up. So there's something in there. There's a little letter in there too. Growing up, whenever we did birthday parties, we always did the card before the gift. So I'm going to hold true to that tradition. So we've got the chibi Harry Potters. Whoa, something fell out of there. Create Craft Costume. Show us your magic. Ashley and Cheryl. Instagram.com/Create Craft Costume. YouTube, same name. So if you want to check them out, that's where they are. Where to begin? I've been a fan of your channel and creations for years. Your talent for fandom design is unmatched, and you truly have an eye for creativity. From Muggle Magic to your new office for Wizardry Workshop, I love that you share your talent with a community you've built. They actually show how to make this on their YouTube channel. So if you want to check that out, that's Create Craft Costume. Let's take a look at what they have here, though. Is this like a pillowcase or something? I can't tell. I'm thinking it's a pillowcase. A really, really big pillowcase. It is. It's a huge pillowcase, I think. But that is awesome. I'm going to have to get a pillow to fit this. That is a huge pillowcase. So yeah, I'm definitely going to use this. I just need to find or buy a pillow that is this big, because I don't have any pillows. Like, I have a body pillow. It's just not as tall as this. This is a big pillow. So thank you so much. That's really, really cool that you made this. It looks so professional. I love it. Next up, we have, I know this is from Casey. I knew this one was coming. She told me about it. So I'm going to open this one up now. It's packaged really nicely too. As you can see, it's all kind of like gift wrapped in the brown paper with the owl post and the Hogwarts logo and stuff. So there's that. And it's tied off with some twine. Curious little box inside. Oh my gosh, this is tightly wrapped. I will say that. It's tightly wrapped. Oh my gosh. Oh, there we go. Oh, it's taped on. Okay, let's see what is in this box. Okay, first off, we have a letter. My mom bought me one of these a long time ago from who knows where, and I loved it. However, it got lost in a move, so she ended up buying me another one. After a few years and a few moves later, we ended up finding the original one, and so now I've just had both sitting on my shelf, so I decided to send one to you instead of keeping both for myself. I hope you like it. Sincerely, Casey. P.S. I won your Luna Lovegood giveaway a few years ago, and everyone loves the Quibbler that you made. Awesome. Congrats on your win again for winning that Quibbler, or the Luna Lovegood one. Okay, so let's see what this is. Oh, cool. Okay, I know exactly what this is. It's like, oh man, what are they called? Where it's like a thing inside of a thing inside of a thing. I can't remember what they're called. It's usually like a person. Oh, well, I guess it is Harry Potter. Oh, there we go. It's Harry, and then little Ron. Oh, that's so good. Okay, so there's Harry, there's little Ron, there's little tiny Hermione. Tiny Hermione. And then inside of tiny Hermione is little Hagrid. So let's take a better, oh, wait. I thought Hagrid was the end, but it looks like there's still yet another. Is that a bank goblin? I think, I can't tell. It's such a small picture. It's hard to, I think it's a little bank goblin, but then he's inside of Hagrid. So here's little Hagrid, tiny Hermione, little Ron, little tiny, or not little tiny, big Harry Potter. I mean, he's bigger than the rest. So that's so cool. That is awesome. Such a unique thing. That's really cool. I'm going to put that up on my shelf too. That's so funny. Very cool. Thank you for that. I love it. So this is the one that I'm opening like super, super late. And I feel so bad for doing this so late. I'm really sorry. I'm so sorry, by the way. Please don't hate me. Okay, here we go. Hopefully nothing's broken. I don't think, I mean, it didn't get squished or anything, so everything should be fine. I hope everything's okay in here. I would feel like extremely horrible if not only did I open this so late, but it's broken. Whatever it is. It sounds... Oh, hey. There it is. It's not broken. Okay, so there's a lot of stuff in here, and I don't think any of it is breakable. All right, so we've got a couple of keychains for Hufflepuff. There's a Hufflepuff keychain right there. And then this one is like a badger right there. We have, it looks like a wand. I'm going to say it's a wand. So let's go ahead and take a look in here. Dear Danny, hi, my name is Cohen, and I'll leave the last name out. I'm 11 years old, and I live in a small town called, and I'm going to leave that out too. I love watching your videos. Harry Potter is my favorite book and movie series. Your videos are my favorite thing to watch on YouTube. Oh, thank you so much. Man, now I'm feeling even worse that I misplaced this box. Oh. When I'm bored, I just watch one of them and I do the tutorial. I have a few questions for you. One, what is your favorite Harry Potter book? That would be The Prisoner of Azkaban. And I also really do like The Deathly Hallows, I would say. Probably my two favorite there. What's your favorite Harry Potter movie? Prisoner of Azkaban, I really like. You know, people are going to not agree with me so much here, but I think the first few movies are pretty good. And then as they go on, I feel like it gets really convoluted. And if you hadn't read the book and just watched the movie as a movie, I did first. I watched the movies before I even read the books. So I was totally lost. Like the last 5 movies, I was just lost. So they're not great movies, but they're fun to watch now that I've read the books. What is your favorite tutorial you've done? That is a tough one. I really like The Life and Lies of Albus Dumbledore. That book was really fun to create, and I think it turned out looking really professional. Aside from that, I loved doing the Monster Book of Monsters, and I want to do like a 2.0 version of that so that I can do it better. I was wondering if maybe you could do some tutorials on your channel making some of the Harry Potter candies, like licorice wands, black pepper imps, fudge flies. The wand I made you is an inflexible 15 and 7/8 inch maple, and it has a dragon heartstring core. Sincerely, Cohen. Oh my gosh. Cohen, thank you so much. I just feel so bad. All right, let's check out this wand. Also, to answer your question when it came to doing some candies, I would like to try my hand at it. I don't know how to make candies, but I could do some packaging for them and like put some candies in it, like that are already made. It looks like Cohen followed my tutorial and made me a wand. I like how it's like kind of turned like that. That's kind of like Bellatrix's was like that, wasn't it? Someone's was. I thought it was Bellatrix. I could be wrong, but you know what? I probably am. Thank you, Cohen. I really appreciate it, and I am very, very, very sorry that your box got misplaced. So that is the unboxing of all of your fan mail that I have to date. If you want to send me some fan mail, I've got my P.O. box down in the description box below, and I'll open it up on my channel. If I don't get enough to do a full dedicated video, I'll probably just do them here and there during or before one of my DIYs or other unboxings and stuff. And yeah, thank you everybody for all these awesome things that you sent me. I love it all. Cohen, awesome wand, very good craftsmanship. Thank you, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.